Are you having problems with Windows Script host architecture not locating the Scripting Object Model DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. I recommend the automated system scan for Scripting Object Model to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Scripting Object Model, the Scripting Object Model SOM library. It provides an unmanaged framework for exposing application data structures to scripting languages like VBScript or JScript. It manages the object mapping manifests that allow external scripts to manipulate the host's internal data link variables. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Scripting Object Model is functionally required for Windows Script host architecture to operate. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Windows Script host architecture from the developer will repair any missing or broken application files found in your system. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Scripting Object Model component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Scripting Object Model DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Scripting Object Model references. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Scripting Object Model was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.